I'm going to do Kalea's hair. This will be like a nice back to school.
Yeah.
So just watch and I hope you enjoy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
To style her hair, I'm using water, KraziiCurls hair oil, Murray's Beeswax, and some rubber bands to secure it. Making sure that I dampen her hair, I'm going to start by splitting her hair in half and putting up what I'm not using. Wetting her hair some more and detangling, of course. Now using the toothbrush to just slick down the hair that I'm not working with. I'm actually going to be splitting that section in half horizontally and just working with one section at a time. Spritzing the hair with water, I am going in with KraziiCurls hair oil and applying that all over and just brushing it and slicking it down. Making my first part with the rat tail comb, I am going to add a little bit of that beeswax on top and secure it with the rubber band, but not before adding oil to the rubber band to serve as a protective barrier and avoid breakage. Now that is also why I'm adding oil to her hair before adding the beeswax. It serves as a protective layer and the beeswax is not on her hair on its own. Now, to complete this look, after making your second part, you're just going to grab both sections and secure it with a rubber band. And these are the exact same steps that I will repeat over and over to complete this look. Let me show you guys one more time. Now since you saw this 3 times, I'm not gonna bore you. I'm going to skip through and just let you know that I actually created 2 more parts after this. And now that that is complete, all I'm doing now is just braiding up that ponytail. Making sure that it's nicely detangled, making sure that the braid is nice and tight, and making sure that I add a little bit of water, a little bit of oil to her hair again and the rubber band before I officially secure it. One, two, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just so you know, this hairstyle lasted her 2 weeks. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, drop some love, and share it with everyone that you know.
Bye-bye.